That was a hit! Oh my god, that wasn't even the best part. Hey yo web travelers. Well, you've seen the thumbnail, so you know what you're coming for. Today I have a lot of different DemonSlayer packs and we're gonna all open them and compare them and see which set, or at least which pack, would be the best. I have them in a pile from 1 to 5v1, but also apparently there's just a pack which looks like freaking awesome. Just look at this, and that's 10-1 pack. So I'm really curious to see which cards are in here, and we're gonna do that at the end of the video, obviously. Duh. Let's start with this one, 1-1 pack. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freaking, I need to use my breath technique to this, to freaking open this. Oh my god, okay, never mind. Bankai. Okay. Now, oh god, oh that's some bad shit. Okay, I know this style and I know it's from one box that I already opened on my channel, so yeah, you can check it out. I don't remember looking that shitty. Like, it's nothing bad and probably for price it's just alright, but I remember them to be more shiny. Maybe it's just this thing, maybe the 10-1 box, or 5-1 box by the way, that I opened is supposed to be more shiny, and this set is just like those cards, that's probably a hit, those cards but just not shiny. Okay, well there's really nothing special about this one, oh, this one is shit, man. Yeah, I don't know how my camera does it, but looking through the lens it's just fine, but looking with my own two eyes, it's just blurry. Like this screenshot is just yeah, not HD. And what for special do we have? Yeah, okay, yeah, like these cards I remember, these ones are fine, it's just without the shine they don't look that great, but I mean for its price, whatever. But we have 3 of these packs. Can I open this one? Yes, I can open this one. I didn't need to use my bankai, so that's nice. Yeah, this motherfucker, okay, very nice character. They also have some stats which doesn't make sense in my eyes. Like, what is this? In health and attack? I would say he's more strong than tangible. Well, it depends on when, in which part of story. Okay. Ooh, I haven't seen this one, so that's cool. Nice one. Also, wait, what? Do I have one less? Oh, I skipped one. My bad. Oh, they're sticking together. What the fuck? Okay, Tanjiro looking at some panties, very nice. It's not a panty, it's something else, I don't know what it is. Hey, Nezuko super rare, looking cute, okay, alright. Let's see if one set can deliver something epic. I doubt it, but you never know. Okay, so this is the hit. Oh, nice. Weird choice, but nice to see something that... God damn it, are they sticking? Yeah, they're sticky again. Oh my god. Yeah, that's my face right now, like definitely. I like this one though. And we have super rare. This set, 1-1 pack, didn't deliver very much, but I believe this one was like the cheapest. We have this one, 1-1 pack, so probably nothing crazy from this one, but maybe other style cards. That would be interesting to see. Do I turn? Yes, we have other style cards, and this style is actually more Japan-like. I like it. I like this one. Look at that. Look at this boy. Or is it a girl? I don't fucking know. I'm joking. I do know. Oh, we got an SSR from a 1-1 pack. Dude. That's epic. And also, I like this SSR. Flashy. Very, very flashy. Like, he would approve this. And we have another... What the fuck is this? Wow, look, you can win a figure and a backpack, and that's all a scam, probably. This one does look different. The style, but also there's like some weird print on it. And that was our 1-1 era, and we're going to open a 2-1. I really like this cover, it's very childish and fun. And I hope that the cards are not like that, but more epic. Okay, starting with shine. Ooh, that thing. God damn that thing. Okay, but starting with some shine right away, which is actually nice. Some back, some stats again, that doesn't matter because you can't play this probably. And goddamn, that's a Nezuko I want to see. Okay. Compared to the other shit, it's nice, it's good. I can't remember you. I don't fucking... Oh wait, I know you. Okay, yeah, well, never mind. I'm not gonna say what it is because it might be spoilers. And we have some special even. I don't fucking know what this is. Like, get them all and win a Nezuko. Yeah, sure, man. Good luck with getting them all. There's probably like one card that's just like 1 in 1,000 boxes. Even if it's there, but I like this shine. Let me know in the comments which box would you like to see opening of. Obviously after you watch the whole video, because we have a lot of packs to go. Also you can win shit in here, but yeah. Don't know about this, haven't heard of anybody who got it. The best I've got is some golden cards for 2 times. Most of the time I just hear the stories of people who got a winning card and then the seller just says, oh well, yeah, well, to get it shipped to you, just make a order of $200. Well, you already won something and they actually should ship it, maybe not for free, but at least that you pay only the shipping cost and not like 2 extra freaking $100. So that's some bullshit, but yeah, what you gonna do? You can do anything. And that's nice. Those cards are really cool. I like it. I like they're all shining. Oh, we got an SSR. Ooh, that's a weird ass Nezuko. Is it a Nezuko or is it somebody else? Like those eyes I can't recognize. This is like the Nezuko ability, right? This thing is okay. That's weird, man. That's some weird art. I don't know. Okay, but it's a special one. And we have another one. Well, maybe we can get them complete. Now we have 2 of them. This one also has like some Tripalowski Adidas shit going on. Okay. Okay, hey, we're stepping to the waifu territory. And that one is super rare. This one, do we see the difference? It has a little bit more shine, like more dots on the shine. Okay, well, nothing crazy. Hey, okay. Oh, we've seen you. I also forgot all the names, so I'm not saying the names because I freaking forgot it, sorry. Even though I watched the anime, I read the manga, I'm just so shitty to remembering the names. Damn, your face looks fucked up, man. Also, this rope looks like a football ball, like whatever. Another one. Okay. Next to one pack, this one also all the same. Yeah, I mean that's the same company, and maybe it's just the same freaking pack. I mean the set is just the other packaging. It might be. I think it is. Why is your head so huge on this card? But yeah, just like I said. Oh, hi Nezuko, hello. Whoa, we got a Seipei, Again, the resolution is not that great, it's better than before. I kind of like this outlining. They can do it more often, I guess, in other sets. It's clever to make it a little bit different than the rest. Last one of 2-1. Other shit, you can win other shit. This might be other sets. Also, I don't see the Dino head, so that's definitely another set. Oh, I recognize this. Okay, that's the first one that we opened, but now it's 2-1 version. Yeah, now they're all shiny, probably. What is this card? Like, bruh, do I buy this to get the bucket? I don't even remember who the fuck that is. Okay, you're forgiven. God damn, look at this SSR. Holy shit, look at it. It's so shiny, I like it. Nice. And now we have all the R's that we've seen before, but now it's shiny. Hey, why not?
Why the fuck not?
Yeah, hey, okay, wait. We need to compare them. Yeah, well, this one is definitely better, no question about it. I mean, I knew it, but I just wanted to see it, and now you also saw it. And now we get to the big boys. 5-1 packs. Oh, this again. Okay, well, I'm curious to see what's gonna be different about this one. Let's go. Okay. I really do like some silly cards like this. I don't know why, I just like it. Okay, is it a boy or is it a girl? You tell me. I know who that is, I'm just joking. Okay, something special. Not even, that's freaking 5-1 set and it's exact the same as 2-1 set. Get out of here. That's the box that I actually opened on my channel. So shameless plug again. You can see watch the opening, and that's the box I really enjoyed. Like that's one of the best boxes I ever opened. Of DemonSlayer plot twist I ever opened one. So oh my god, look at this. Do I need to say more? It's a cow Nezuko and it's also very shiny. I like it. My god. Like come on, this set is just it's amazing. That's bruh. And then we have all our cards. And there's a shiny. Oh man, I like this one. I like these silly ones. It's really amazing. Now I have 2 of them. Oh, what the fuck is this? Whoa. Okay, those are different. I like it. And also HD. Like look at that. The resolution is fine. The quality of a card is also fine. There's different like print feel to it. I'm not a really big fan of horizontal cards, but it's whatever. It's something else. Oh, the back. This is very cinematic. I actually do like it. At least in this sense. That's cool. I got this SR and SSR, and only difference being is it has a little bit more shine, I guess. You can see my nose. Do you like it? Okay, and it's yeah, the sides are golden. That doesn't, yeah. Wait, what? Oh, that. My brain just went like, what the fuck is happening here? I'm happy to see something that just, you know, surprises me with how, I guess, unique that is. And the concept of getting horizontal cards on its own, it's not unique. Like slapping these freaking things on the sides, it's not unique, but just the whole picture makes it very nice. Okay, we got Nezuko, look at that, look how cute. There's also, please focus, there's also an outlining, which makes it great. So the hit will be behind the Nezuko. Oh, again, I get the double. Man, why they do this? I freaking hate this. And we got Happy Face. I like Nezuko more, yes. And then the hit is Tanjiro SSR. Now for the big elephant in the room, 10-1 pack, which looks just freaking amazing. I don't even want to tear it apart, just how epic it looks. Let's see. There's another pack inside. You kidding? Pack in a pack? Like what the fuck is this? And now we look at the pack. And now we look at the cards, the most important thing about this all. If the most epic thing about this freaking 10-1 shit is the freaking packaging, then, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Okay, that's just these cards again. And I mean, I love this one. Is this a hit? That's probably a hit, so I have a feeling that these ones look even better than before. There's one simple way to find out. They have more shine, but also some points like in their shine. Okay, it looks actually kind of epic. It looks like, yes, it looks like 10-1 quality. Fuck alive, I couldn't even speak, man. I love this one. Oh shit! Dude, this ultra rare is fire, literally. Oh my god. Okay, it did feel awesome 10-1 set, but wasn't this a hit? This was a hit! Oh my god, that wasn't even the best part. There's the 3D kind of card. Dude. 10-1 pack has definitely delivered. So what do you think of this kind of opening? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for all your support and for watching this far. I will see you in another one, web travelers.